Hello everyone, so welcome to our summer spree collection by Mudrika Lifestyle and Exhibition, all happening at Bohemian Gallery for 2 days. Collection में क्या क्या है I will show you. Yes,
I'm into western wear.
Hi, you can get this customized look under 12,000 and this is our upcoming design which you can get under 8,000.
Hi, this is silver jewelry. What I have wear? Silver Story by Chelna.
We have summer collection and festival collection as well and offers as well.
Hello, my brand name is Anvi Jewelry. All types of jewelry are available.
Hi, we are from Nitya and we are into plus size customizations.
Hi, my brand name is Keshav Sarees and Kanjivaram and silk sarees.
Hi, my brand name is VJ Fashion Corner, Kala Cotton Advantage.
My brand name is Artist Creation and this is my last show, 20% off. Thank you.
this is brand Western Roots. They have all kind of western wear collection, plus sizes भी होते हैं इनके पास. So let's start with some pretty shirts. जैसे आजकल कोरियन shirts भी बहुत चल रही है. They have that, something with jacket. Then we have crop tops, jacket style, cute. जैसे ऑफिस वेयर है, easy breezy nice vacation wear हो सकता है, resort wear हो सकता है. Then these are all plus size cords. Beautiful.
Short skirt sets आते हैं.
Shorts के साथ, yes.
These type of one pieces आते हैं.
Dresses.
Like this shirt style long में. फिर लिनन के अंदर ऐसे.
Oh, nice.
Plus sizes में भी मेरे पास में one pieces हैं. And these are the plus size tops and
Okay.
shirts.
Tops and shirts.
And I have men's collection, unisex collection also. So these type of shirts, printed shirts.
So this is VJ Fashion Corner and look at these beautiful abhas. Their starting price is around 5,000 and they have, these are the dress materials. Then ये पूरा handwork में भी है. Look at this. Then they have beautiful bandhej collection जिसमें something like this. और पूरा rai bandhej है. Again, this is a dress material. These are few dupattas. So this is the entire range of beautiful dupattas. साथ ही साथ we have some bujori saris, especially from Kutch. These are all handmade, handloom kala cotton fabric, best for summer. Wow, this is very pretty, yaar. Look at the tassels here. So this is Vinny Malhotra's designs. Look at this beautiful piece. So yes, summer wedding abhi bhi baki hai, so you can customize this outfit. They are from Anand, but they are in Ahmedabad for 2 days. They have beautiful blouses that can also be customized again. Check these out. They're very pretty.
These are all very budget friendly.
Okay.
The blouses are in the range under 4K.
Okay. Yes.
And you can get this whole look customized for under 12K.
Under 12K.
12K.
Okay.
Yes. We also have this handwork dupattas.
Dupattas.
We
Then
have handwork blouse pieces,
Blouse pieces.
which you can customize according to your size.
Okay.
We have Banarsi chanias as well.
pretty.
Currently, they are in the range of 7,000. We have chandere
Beautiful.
chanias as well. We have Tassa silk saris. Also, we have a upcoming design.
This is RD's creation and this is their last summer sale. So all the pieces are on sale. So flat 20% off on everything. First we have dresses, spaghetti mein, cord sets, again cords. We have summer dresses, very pretty. ये भी पूरी mal cotton dresses. Then these are the shirts. Nice. Corsets. Love. Look at this beautiful piece. My God, these are so pretty. ये पूरा silver jewelry में आएगा. Silver Story by Chelna. And this is their piece. I mean, each and every piece is too pretty. And this is pure silver. These are few rings. Then we have kadas option. Only earrings. हाँ, ये पूरा silver में है. And they have silver watches as well. Check these out. And then we have very pretty earrings collection. Check. This is Anvi Jewelry and they have literally everything from bracelets to anti-tarnish jewelry. They have western jewelry, kundan, jarao. These are all kadas. Look at these. Very pretty. ये सारे fusion में आएंगे, gold and silver dual tone में. Then they have a huge variety of sets जो आप specially weddings में पहन सकते हो, different functions में. This is very lightweight, too heavy. We have is monzonite, pearl, again पूरा fusion में with different motifs. ये भी आपको gold, silver पे मिल जाएंगे. The best things are these judas, बहुत ही pretty है, and these kadas. ये stackables भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. And ये जो सारी ज्वेलरी है ये वेस्टर्न एंड इंडियन दोनों पे चली जाती है. This is brand Kajal. Now they have few pieces that are on sale, just starting from 400 till 1000. These are few shirt options. ये सारा जो collection ये आपको सेल में मिलेगा, ये भी सेल में है. Then we have brand new fresh summer collection जिसमें dresses आएंगी. Look at this. This is all hand embroidery. Yeah, and the best fabrics used for summer. This is mull cotton. We have linens as well. Look at that. And उसी के साथ साथ we also have some festive wear here. So अगर आपको festive wear देखना है, we have these, this one, this pretty, and that. Let's check out few sarees. This is Keshav sarees, and they have Banarsi sarees. These are for 5,000. Then we have again this is Banarsi, and Banarsi. Then we have South cotton in checks. ये कौन सी है मैम? Nice. ये वाली क्या रेंज रहता है?
ये 3500
3500
कांजीवरम है ये
कांजीवरम
वाला ये सिल्क है
सिल्क बेस.
हाँ ये भी कांजीवरम है ये सॉफ्ट सिल्क रहेगा एकदम पहनने में इजी रहेगा ये बटर सिल्क आएगा
बटर सिल्क में.
हाँ
Beautiful. All right. Then we have dupatta.
इसमें कलर्स है
All right. Beautiful. All right. Then we have some Indo-Westerns as well. And this is a different brand. We have Indo-Westerns like these with jacket, with skirt. And cotton में भी है पूरा collection. Hello, this is
Hi.
brand
This is brand Nitya.
Nitya.
And we are making some amazing plus size shirts.
Plus size shirts.
In a lot of materials. Then we have some kaftans,
Kaftan.
which are in modal silk.
Beautiful. These are the skirts.
We also have some skirts
Cute.
that you can style in any occasion.
Like with shorts and all, yeah.
Yes, anything. Then we have some pencil skirts available in a lot of sizes, like plus size and small sizes.
And
Then
these
we
are
have
dresses.
these dresses, which are in cotton. Some cute dresses for vacations. Then we have these adjustable dresses, which can fit a lot of sizes in cotton and modal.